Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the Face 3D viewer with enhanced depth and with mouse control. So in that project, you can rotate that particular face image from mouse drag, scroll to zoom and right drag to pan. So we are generating the multi-view render and save that render multi-view. Now first you have to load that image loaded. After that, initializing the face detector, then detecting face detected successfully. After that, creating the high density face mesh and creating the surface points. After that, computing 3D depth map with enhanced depth, creating mesh triangulation, created the high quality triangles and smoothing mesh, and save that particular image in the PLY file, JPG or PNG file. So that will be the complete project. So in that particular project, user can check the any particular face image in a 3D map, and they can show the front part and back part by mouse control. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.